Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I always say this, it's been a while since I've filmed a video. A lot of shit has been going down in my personal life, and I finally have gotten into the routine of filming again, and I will be filming routinely. I have a schedule. I'm gonna try to do 2 to 3 videos a week. With that being said, guys, today I am filming an eyeshadow look using the Soft Glam palette, which is my new favorite eyeshadow palette. I have been using this on all my clients working at Sephora and being a makeup artist there. Just really love these beautiful eyeshadows. They're all over Instagram. I mean, honestly, anytime Anastasia releases a new eyeshadow palette, we'll go crazy. This is just really nice because you can use it on literally anyone, create a nice soft glam look, or you create something really intense. It has all those beautiful bronzy shades as well as some nice metallic and glittery shades. With that being said, guys, if you want to see how I achieve this eye look, keep on watching. So after taking my concealer and just applying it all over my lid, I'm just gonna go into the Soft Glam palette and go into the shade Tempera, which is the lightest shade in the palette. So I'm just gonna take that and apply it all over the lid, making sure that the concealer doesn't crease on any of the areas. You really wanna make sure that the concealer doesn't crease before you apply the powder, otherwise it'll show and it'll leave an ugly mark. So let's avoid that. So after you've fully saturated your eyes with the concealer and with Tempera shadow, you're going to go in and apply your crease color. So for my crease color, I always like to go in with like a nice skin-like tone for the most part. Like if I'm not wearing too much makeup, then I just go ahead with a bronzer. That tends to be like my go-to. But for today, I'm going to be using the Orange Soda, which is this beautiful orangey tone. I'm just gonna take that with my Pro Tapered Crease number 19 brush from Sephora. And I'm just gonna take that and apply it all over my crease, tap off the excess, and then just go to town. And if you have really hooded eyes like I do, then what you want to do when you're pressing in that crease color is really want to concentrate the product above the crease, because that's going to give the illusion of bigger, deep set eyes, and it's going to create more of that contouring effect. From there, what you're going to want to do, and I'm going back into that Orange Soda shade that we used on the crease, and I'm going to apply it on the outermost corner. This is just going to create a nice transition slash gradient into the deeper tones that we apply on top. Already, you're starting to see more dimension. You're starting to really make your eyes pop. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that packing brush again. This time, I'm going to dip it into Sienna, which is this beautiful like toasted brown tone, and I'm just gonna apply it to the outer corner like so. From there, I'm gonna take my Luxie brush. This is the Mini Tapered. So I like this brush because it's nice and fluffy, and I'm just gonna go in and really buff that in, blending it out. So now that I've created already that nice radiant effect, I'm gonna go in again with the tapered brush that comes inside of the Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna now go into Cypress Umber, which is that nice deeper brown tone. It's going to be one of the more neutral tone browns in here, and I'm honestly going to take the slightest amount and I'm just going to apply it to the outer crease, just like so. From here, once again, I'm going to take that Mini Tapered Luxie Beauty brush and I'm just going to blend that out on the outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with the Luxie Beauty Mini Angled brush, and I'm just going to go into that burnt orange tone, and I'm going to deepen my crease color a little bit. And I'm going to deepen it a little bit more by dipping it into Sienna, just a little bit. This is just going to give me a little bit more dimension and make it more of a dramatic look. I'm going to take my Sephora crease brush and just blend that out so that there's no harsh lines. Okay guys, so now that I've created my base, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Luxie Mini Flat Angled brush. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Glistening, which is the first metallic color. I'm going to take some of that and I'm going to apply it to the inner corner of my eye all over. From here, I'm going to go into the new Micro Tip Liquid Liner from Stila Cosmetics. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and then do some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I've finished applying the lashes, I went in with the Noel lashes, which is the faux mink lashes from Huda Beauty. It made this look bomb as fuck. So now that I've done that, I'm just gonna go in with the packer brush on the brush that came with the Soft Glam palette. Actually, I'm going to go in with Orange Soda, which is the light shade that we used on our crease. I'm just going to take that, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to apply it in my under eye, and then go in with Sienna, which is that burnt toasted brown color, and apply that in my under eye. From there, I'm just going to apply some mascara, and now I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. So now that I finished the rest of my makeup, guys, this is basically the final look. I'm really feeling myself. I'm about to go to the grocery store and buy some chicken because I'm gonna make some flautas for dinner. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at DGAFpanda. You watch this video all the way very end. Let me know what your favorite eyeshadow palette is at the moment. And if you want to see me review a certain palette, let me know down below. Until next time, guys, DGAFpanda out.